Hey, this is Chap from Tube Backlink Builder. Today what I'd like to do is give you free YouTube SEO training that's going to show you how to rank YouTube videos fast and easy. And then I'd like to give you our free YouTube backlink generator software just to make things even better for you so you can start ranking your YouTube videos fast and easy on YouTube and Google. So what you'll need to do is watch this video so you can see the software in action, and then fill in your name, your email address, click yes, I want this, okay? Go through the page right here and see what you're going to get. Like I said, you're going to get our software called Tube Backlink Builder software, okay? Then what you can do is, like I said, this is all get backlinks to your YouTube videos with just one click. It really is that simple. When you watch this video right here, you will see that. But the main thing that we're talking about today is our free YouTube SEO training that's going to show you how to rank YouTube videos, okay? So what I want you to do is scroll down here so you can read how it says, discover how to optimize your videos for the YouTube search engine so you can outrank your competitors starting today. We're going to teach you exactly how to get on page 1 of Google and YouTube so you can start getting above your competitors and start getting the views that they're going to be getting. And now you're going to be getting those views because we're going to show you exactly how to optimize your YouTube videos to make sure you're on page 1 of Google and of YouTube, okay? So make sure you read all this. I want you to make sure that you read and you learn about what you're going to be getting, because like I said, we put this package together to really truly help the beginner in mind, and even someone that's been doing it for a while that just doesn't know, why their YouTube videos aren't ranking in YouTube or Google that well, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to scroll down here. This is a video right here of the YouTube SEO training course for beginners, where it breaks down and shows you what you're going to learn. So you can watch this video right here, okay? It's an 8-part video series that you're going to get, and you can see right here the topics that we're going to be covering, okay? Video 1 is an introduction to YouTube SEO for beginners. This is going to kind of just give you a breakdown of of an introduction to YouTube SEO and kind of teach you a few little things and work our way up to video 8. So read about what you're going to get right here, okay? And like I said, our video is going to kind of tell you a little bit more. Video 2 is a competitive research for beginners. It's going to show you how to be competitive with your research and making sure that you find the right type of niche, the right type of keywords and all that stuff. And it's put together, like I said, an over-the-shoulder with we're talking to you, showing you exactly what you need to do. So it's going to help you a ton. Video 3, basically pretty much highly searched keywords for beginners. It's going to show you how to find highly searched keywords that people are searching for in YouTube and in Google, so you can basically get your videos ranked very quickly and fast in YouTube and Google, okay? So the next video is video 4, your title and description for beginners. This is going to show you exactly how to set up your titles, show other competitors and how they've set up their titles to make sure that your videos get ranked well, and make sure that your descriptions are written properly so it complements each other, so your videos will rank high in YouTube and in Google on page 1, okay? Then the next video right here will be video 5, video file optimization. This is where you optimize the actual video that you have made, and you put keywords in there and a title, and it will show you exactly how to set all that up so you can actually start getting your videos ranked even faster on YouTube and Google. Plus, it's going to tell Google and YouTube what your video is about with that information you're putting in there, so you're going to learn that. Video 6, you're going to learn how important thumbnails are, making sure that your video thumbnails from YouTube are standing out above your competitors so you can start outranking them, and your competitors, customers can start clicking on yours because they look at your thumbnail and they go, wow, that looks good. I want to see what they're talking about. So make sure you read that information right there about what you're getting in video 6. Video 7 talks about the length of your videos. It allows you to understand if shorter videos are better or if longer videos are better. So you will really enjoy these videos, I'm telling you what. So make sure you read the information right here. And video 8 is secret tip to outrank your competitors for beginners. So we put it all in a beginner's way that you can understand things, okay? And we're going to teach you some little secrets that are going to really help you a lot. So like I said, this is Chap. We're really excited about helping you. And make sure you fill in your name and your email address, okay? And what I like to do too is, before we go, I want to show you what you're going to see. So once you sign up, you're going to be taken to this page, and it's going to tell you to make sure that you confirm your email, okay? This is the thank you page. Watch this thank you page. I'm going to kind of give you a little rundown of what you're getting and stuff and what you should do and all that. This right here is where you click and download the software, okay? And then right here is all the videos where we went over in the front page that you're going to get. So you can watch these videos anytime you want. You can go back and watch, different ones, but make sure you watch them in order, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then if you want to go back and watch other ones, you can come back anytime and you can watch these over and over. But like I said, we are here to help you and we want you to have success. Plus, another bonus that we're giving you is we're going to give you 3 pre-made affiliate niche websites that you can set up for yourself and start making affiliate commissions. Or you can start selling these websites to your customers. Or if you know how to do things on Flippa, you can take these sites and actually set them up and sell them on Flippa, okay? So we are here to help you. Again, my name is Chad Portnova. If you ever need any kind of support, you can scroll down here. You can see our support right here. Click that. Send us a message. We'll get back to you as soon as possible, usually 24 to 48 hours. But we are here to help you. That's why we put together this service right here of the software and to teach you with our free YouTube SEO training on how to rank your YouTube videos on YouTube and Google, okay? So if you have any kind of questions, type them below in the comments and we'll get back to you. But again, look below this video. There'll be a link to this page right here where you can get our free YouTube SEO training that teaches you how to rank YouTube videos and get our free YouTube backlink generator software. Have yourself a great day. I'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye.